breaking news coming in on this particular story. Police sources are suggesting the possibility of the involvement of the domestic help in this attempted robbery at Saif Ali Khan's residence. Authorities are probing whether she played a role in facilitating the entry of the thief. The maid's statement will be recorded after her medical treatment. Additionally, we are learning statements from 3 other members of Saif's staffs are also being taken. That's the update coming in. Let's go back to Nilesh, who continues to be with us at this point in time. So clearly, Nilesh, because in the CCTV footage, the cops have not really found anybody entering the residence at least 2 hours prior to this particular incident. So the focus, the spotlight falls on people who work with Saif Ali Khan's children, the staff clearly, the domestic help, and now you're telling us that the nanny or the domestic help, her role is also being probed.
Well, yes, absolutely. As we pointed out that the forensic team had reached the spot, around dozens of officials from the crime branch and Mumbai police had also reached the spot. Doing their investigation, they have gone through 2-hour-long CCTV from the premises, and they have not been able to capture any intruder entering the house. So the incident took place around 12 a.m. and if we go around 2 hours behind, that is till since 12 a.m. to 2 a.m. there has been no entry through this premises. Hence, police is suspecting that this individual could be somebody who already was residing. Meanwhile, multiple teams are being formed who are also looking out for the CCTV cameras of the Bandra area as well. So that would take another few hours for the police officials to confirm if there was any entry in the area, and later on through this metal gate which we can see, which is nearly around, if we can measure, it is roughly around 7 to 8 feet tall. So it becomes difficult for any individual to enter into this premises. So we have been speaking that how multiple layers.
Nilesh, requesting you to stay on with us. We are also now joined by Nasir Abdullah, who is an actor. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first thoughts on what happened at Saif Ali Khan's residence in Bandra. This area has many film stars living here, and this area also has a lot of security.
Yeah, my first thoughts are the same as yours, but from what you've been having a word with the journalists on the spot, is that it's definitely an inside job. So another lady on another channel was saying, "Oh, don't you think the security has to be looked at?" No, that's a lot of rubbish. Their homes are fortresses, unlike mine. I don't have anything to hide. Nobody wants to steal anything from me because I don't have much. I don't have almost, that's another point. But the point is, this is an inside job. Unless a ghost entered, because according to the police, they're saying they saw nobody entering the house through the security camera, as in from outside. So that makes it an inside job. That is clear. And let me tell you, it is possible. It could be the maid, it could be any of the male staff. This happened recently in my area. There was a doctor who was actually murdered. And the maid of the house, who was the least of the suspects, was actually the person who allowed her son and his accomplices to do a robbery. Unfortunately, the robbery went wrong. The doctor saw them and they grappled with him and he got killed. So it is obvious that it is an inside job. So security from the outside, you can't do very much with it outside, because if it's an inside job, you can have the whole Indian Army outside the house and still they will get to him. But also the point is, what went wrong? What were they trying to do? Were they trying to rob? Did he catch them while they were robbing or they were entering? We still don't know, but the security aspect is already solved. This is an inside job for sure, because the cameras don't lie.
Well, absolutely. Those are very important points you have raised, Nasir Abdullah. I'm just requesting you to stay on with us. We have to slip into a very, very short break. And viewers, the visuals that we are getting for you right now on the screen, these visuals are, from the Bandra residence of Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor Khan after this incident took place. Those are the first visuals that we have accessed for our viewers. And we'll, of course, be tracking the story very, very closely. On camera, Kareena Kapoor Khan can be seen outside. right? This is moments after attack on Saif Ali Khan. This is going to be a top focus ahead as well. Requesting you to please stay on with us.